Okay, everybody, I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady, and I am back for day 19 of Junk Journal January, and the prompt was interactive. Let me just make sure I'm correct. Yep, interactive. So I finally found a place for my gingerbread house, and I have cut open the doors and the windows, and behind the doors and windows we are going to have some little creatures peeking out. These are the creatures that live in the house. I've already marked where the little creatures should go. This one was down here, and then the bird was here, I believe, and he was here. So I'm going to glue them on the back here. I guess I didn't even need to do that. I can just glue these onto the back of the paper. I was going to glue them down on here, but I don't need to do that. I didn't even think about just gluing them to the paper. Maybe he was going to be up here. Yeah, I think we were going to have his face like that. So let's glue that on. And then we have to, of course, make sure we get everything in the right spot. So I think I'll just glue around to the back of the circle. And since we only need, well, we need to, I guess I should put some glue on here too, because I want to make sure it's all glued down. His face is going to be showing. That's about it. Okay. And now we just have to make sure we get it in the right spot. Not. There. There he is. And then we have to also make sure we don't get these glued down. Okay, next is the bird. Bird's going right there. So let's get some glue on him all around. Pretty much the whole bird is going to be in that, so let's do that. Okay. Actually, I think it'd be easier to do it like that. There's the bird. Yeah, some glue where it shouldn't be, unfortunately. I'm going to have to let that dry. And then our mouse is going to go like that. So we'll get him glued up. Yeah, it's actually the same day as I filmed the last one. Oops, the last prompt of, I did 18 and 20 together. Alright, so there we go. There's our little mouse. This is the nature house. And then we'll glue this down, and then I'll rub off that extra glue, and maybe I'll put some creatures around, like maybe some birds in the air. Oh, sorry, birds in the air, maybe a couple creatures outside. I do have some stickers. So let's glue this down. We'll use our strong Fabri-Tac glue. This might actually be one of the fastest videos I've made. It's pretty easy. I cut open the openings with an X-Acto knife, if anybody was wondering. I didn't show that on camera. I feel like my glue is clogged up a little bit. Okay, let's get this down. I did end up skipping a page, which I'm hoping I'll go back to. We still have, like, what, 11 prompts to cover, so I might go back. It's this page. Just keep skipping this page. But yeah, that was last time. this is this time. Now I just will get my glue eraser out and erase some of this extra glue. But let's try to figure out what we can put around here. So I have, oops, I have these, but the mouse is pretty big. I could put a moose head off to the side and he could be coming in for, maybe that's an idea. Let's see how that would look. I will fussy cut him if I like it, but what if we had him just coming in from the side over here? I think that would look weird. I think that would look weird. Oh, I forgot, I have this fox. He can be sleeping outside in the snow. Let's get him cut out. And there's a bird. He can go up on the top of the house. Yeah, I sent away for some more animal stickers and such that I'm anxiously waiting to get. I think they're going to arrive next week, or actually this week. So he looks cute right there. We're going to glue him down right there. This could also be nature. This could be interactive and nature. Even though I already did nature, this could be two natures. And, oh, he could just be sitting right on the tree. That would be adorable. I have a hard time cutting legs out of birds and antennas of bugs. So we'll see. I might end up drawing the legs. We'll see how it looks. I don't know. This one's not proving to be easy to cut. Let's see. Let's go up here first. Yep, nature is my jam. Woodland creatures. Definitely what I love. Alright. One winter, we had these weird tracks in the snow by our bird feeder. Actually, I think it was on, we have like a heated bird bath so that the birds can have water in the winter. And it was on the bird bath, I believe. We saw these weird tracks that looked like claws doing this. And we thought, oh my gosh, there's been a bear here. But I sent the pictures off to the DEC, which is the Department of Environmental Conservation, and they said what it was like a bird wing track. The bird was just like fluffing his wings on the snow. So it was not as exciting as a bear. But actually bears would have been hibernating. I don't know why I didn't think of that. So I think he looks cute right there. I'm not going to worry about fussy cutting around his legs. I think I will use this glue for this though. Did that show up? Gotta make sure I'm on camera. It's a little easier for me these days with my new tripod. There, that's so cute. And then we do have a bigger hedgehog, but he's as big as the fox, so I don't think that would work out. Actually, the mouse is almost as big as the fox, so I think we're going to quit here. So this is my spread for number 19, interactive. And I'm going to just get a blue number, or a black number 1. Oops, black number 1 up here, and a 9. We're going to call it done. This is my layout for day number 19 of Junk Journal, January 2024, interactive. This is a little gingerbread house with little creatures that live inside. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're happy, healthy, safe, and dry, and we will see you again tomorrow. And we've already skipped. We already did nature and borders, so we're going to go, oh, peeking out. Oh my gosh, this could be peeking out too. Peeking out, number 21. I'm going to put 21 on here too. I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone here, left and right. Oh my goodness. What'd I say? 21? I can't remember now. 21. I'll put 21 down here. Was it 21? Yes, 21. All right, so I'm moving right along here, combining them. I combined 18 and 20 and 19 and 21. So this is, oops, interactive and peeking out. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.